In the previous video, we can study how to connect the push button to the Arduino with to glow the LED. In this video, I am show you how to connect relay or relay module to the Arduino to glow or to start motor or bulb with the help of Arduino to the push button. When we push the button, then the light or motor turn on. So let's start it. Before the start, you must subscribe the Saurabh Sunshi channel and don't forget to press bell icon. So let's see the program. Program is much more simple than we previous told. Only we declare pin numbers. We connect the push button to the Arduino pin number 2 and LED or relay connected to the pin number 3. First, to select the state for the push button. When push button not pressed, then this state will be considered. So here I am select 0 because when push button not pressed, then the output should be 0. That's why we select the 0 here. This is more important. Let's took this setup will execute only once. So in this setup, we declare the what is the input and what is output. So we know LED is the output and push button is the inputs. So we can declare here. And this is the program for the switch. Nothing but it's much more simple. We read the status from the push button. When it is high, then LED is high. Otherwise, LED is low. Here, LED pin means relay output, and there is nothing. Only this will be runs forever, ever. And we know how to export the binary file for the Protous. Let's do the Protous software. So these are the requirements for the relay to connect Arduino. First, we require the AC supply, then actual resistor, actual relay, and any other load, motor, any other what you want to turn on, off using relay, then diode, button, push button, and then transistor, then battery source to turn to give power to the transistor, and then most important IC, so Arduino IC. Let's beginning the circuit start. So first we connect the made push button circuit in pull-up configuration. So we first connect the resistor, then pin number 2 is, and then give power. Let's only follow steps and then connect to the push button where and then place ground, then we rotate. This only is the simple pull-up configuration circuit for the push button. Then we let's make the whole relay module, which is also available in the market, but now we can assemble this. So we first require the registers, which is control pin number D3. The Arduino change the value to the 330 ohm, or you you can also use 1K resistor. Then we first connect diode, then connect to the ground of this emitter pin, then connect relay, then we need to connect diode. Hope you know why we connect to the diode. Diode is much important in this circuit to protect from reverse current. Then we need battery. Then simply this pin battery positive negative terminal connect to the ground. And the main circuit is ready. Now connect to the load. For the load we connect sine wave, or you can also use any other DC or AC supply. So here we connect the load, first power supply, then we connect to the lamp is also connected, and then we connect DC amplitude 220 volts, frequency 50. Okay, and you can also change the here 220 volt. I think all this is over. Main part is remaining. Okay, and then double click to the IC and give the location of the push button that we program. Hex file is export. This export hex file will be open, and then okay. Now all thing is done. Let's explain. In the program, we connect here in push button is connected to the pin number D2, and a relay or LED pin is connected to the pin number 3, here. All this thing is over, and now we just and why we connect diode for the reverse current protection. When relay is turned off, it is magnetic field which is created by the relay when the relay is off. This magnetic field is back forward to the transistor through IC. If we not connect to the diode, then the IC get maybe damaged. That's why we connect to the diode to short the reverse current at same time when we disconnect it. And this is normally common terminal, and this is normally closed and normally open. This is normally open, as so we can see here it is normally closed. Even we don't power it, and this is normally open. In this second diagram, we can also use for references. So let's start. Before node start, the relay is rated for the 12 volt. In the market or in your experiment lab, we check the voltage rating for the relay. Voltage rating and the battery supply is must match. If the battery supply is below 12 volts, then the relay does not turn on or malfunctioning. So we start the program. You can see whenever start the relay turn to normally open. You can see here. Now we can push button. We push the push button. Then we see here the LED lamp does not grow. So we just use 220 or start again. See, it's low. That is you can see this is circuit actually we can make. So hope you understand. So let's take a look in. These are some ready-made kit available in the market. We can see the 10 terminals to the power relay. This is input voltage ground VCC, and we can connect to the load from here. We can see the rating of the relay here. The maximum load is 250 volt and 10 ampere AC supply VAC, and the DC supply 10 amp 30 volt. Here we can see, and also some munch quantity. Here the 4 channel relay. Also here 8 channels. Same principle. This is 16 channel relay module. We can also use as a home automation. This is some specifications. We can already see it. And this is another type of relay. This is solid state relay. Here only the difference is the size and the sound. Whenever the relay turns on and off, the sound will be through from the relay. But in solid state, the sound that doesn't out from the relay. No any mechanical device in the solid state relay. And also we can see the price of the solid state relay is much more higher than normal relay, mechanical automatic type relay. It is also compact, so it is much more easier to use than this. Also, this is not required continuous power supply for the given the signal in the hour. We can see whenever we give power to the relay, then only the on, otherwise it on off. But in solid state relay, it doesn't turn off when we give power input switch on off. Here are some specifications of the solid state relay. We can see here same as it is from solid state relay. Automatic type relay. You can see before here. These are the automechanical relay, but these are the solid state relay. Same, only size is different, and the power handling capacity is also increases, and small form factor, which is more important in PLCs. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel if you agree. And don't forget, any questions in the mind, please comment in that. That is more important for me and you also. I am you as possible as the answer of this question. So let's tune. Bye. See you soon, guys. See you in the next video.